So we're going to use 1 cup of hot water. Excellent. A little bit more. Nice one. These onion trash into the water, just like this. Okay. That's the onion trash right here in the water. A few cloves in my teas, all right, just like this. There's a few cloves in it, okay? The liquid in the pot. So the water will definitely change color of the onion trash. All right, so this is the onion, but you need to wash this very carefully, very good, and use this. We are going to add the onion into it, just like this. So that's the chop up onion from the onion, or from the onion trash bit, all right? So if you're suffering from blood pressure, this is also very good to use at home, right? So go over and get yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo Secret Recipes to Success. Take it off of the cooker, and this is how it look. Oops. All right. This is it right here. We're just gonna simply strain it off right now. All right, guys. A juice of half of the white onion. We're gonna put the juice into it like this. Pour it off. All right. Just like that. Okay. Get good raw organic honey, guys, and put, all right, some honey inside of it. All right. And give it a mix. In the morning on an empty stomach, or drink it before you go to bed at night. You will see the difference with your immune system and your prostate. Trust me, it will help you at home, guys. All right. So for more information, I'm always put it in the description box. Please subscribe to the channel and share some love towards this program.